Good day, everyone. I am your future educator, Janelle Fontanilla, sharing how if statement works. The reason why we have this Boolean data type, so either true or false, is because they allow us to perform decisions when writing code. The if statement gives us the ability to control the flow of our program. So here, this is how we use the if statement that work with Boolean expressions. If statements are used in Python to execute a block of code if a specific condition is met. An if statement is written as follows. Um, I will show you the syntax of if statement. If condition code to execute if the condition is true. Well, this is what we call the syntax of if statement. The condition is a Boolean expression that returns true or false when evaluated. The code inside the if block is executed if this condition is true. The code within the if block is skipped if the condition is false. So let's try an example of if statement. Let's say x is equal to 10 if x is greater than, let's say, value of 7, and then don't forget to put the semicolon after the value of 7. Then before we enter the print, x is greater x is greater than 7. Before I run our program, I will explain if what the objective of this program. So as you can see, in, I highlight the x is greater than 7. That is our objective in this case. You know why? The because the x must the x has a greater value or has a higher value than the value of 7. So if I run this program, our output will be like this. So let's run. Well, that's it. Our output is x is greater than 7. You can also combine it in if statements with else, and a if statement closes to run distinct blocks of code based on the condition's value. This is how you work with if statements and Boolean expressions. Now let's some another example of value. Let's say this one is 20. Then I will change it into 15. Then of course we have to change this one 7. change into 15 or we run our program. So the output will be like this one.